Hello students. Now I am going to ask few questions. Please give me answer. Name the forms of precipitation. Rain, hail, snow. Okay. In which season do the clothes take time to dry? In summer season. When do we use woolen cloths? In winter season. In which month rainy season occur in a year? June to September. Okay. Name the main seasons in India. Summer season, rainy season and winter season. Very good. Students, let's see lesson number 4. Climate. You must have noticed that each season lasts for a particular period and each season occurs at the particular time of the year. The average weather conditions of a place observed over a long period of time is the climate of that region, and climate is generally expressed as cool and dry or hot and humid or hot and dry, etc. Student, now I am going to present annual average precipitation and temperature of Brazil. Student, see this map. Brazil map. Brazil annual average precipitation and temperature. Okay, now I am going to present it. Considering the isotherm of Brazil, the average temperature of Brazil is 28 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is index annual average rainfall. Okay, and in this index there are also drawn temperature line, degree Celsius and major winds line. Okay, isotherm of Brazil, the average temperature of Brazil is 28 degree Celsius. 28 degree Celsius. Okay. And the Amazon Valley receive more rain. Amazon Valley receive more rain. See in map. Okay. See in map, Amazon Valley receive rain. The winds are flowing from northeast and southeast. Northern east and southern east direction. The winds are flowing from northeast, northern east and southern east directions. And these are permanent trade winds. These are permanent trade winds which flow from high pressure belt to equatorial low pressure belt. Okay, students, please try to understand. The average temperature are low in the southern part of Brazil. In the southern part of Brazil, average temperature is low. Okay, 18 degrees Celsius. And you know, Amazon Valley located in the northern part of Brazil. Amazon Valley located in the northern part of Brazil. And Brazil has higher temperature. Brazil has higher temperature. Student, I hope you understood this map, Brazil annual average precipitation and temperature. Okay, and study the map of this, and you solve questions through this map. Okay, in your workbook. Thank you, students.